So what I have here is a steel MS170, and I took out the spark plug so that I could sharpen the blades, and just for extra precaution, because I don't trust the brake. It can ignite and start, and bad things can happen with your fingers there. So anyways, this rubber boot broke and I had to go get a replacement. My local steel dealer was being turds and they didn't want to warranty it. So I went to my local Ace on Sunday and I picked up this piece here. But the problem was this bend in the cork pipe screw type of boot there was such an angle that couldn't get this around and looped. So two heads are better than one, and my wife pretty much came up with the idea: tie a fishing string around that and loop it through the boot, and together we, with one set of hands bending it, I was pulling it through with the fishing line. So now I can just loop it back through the hole through the coil here and put it back together. So that's it in 2 minutes, a quick fix. It wasn't really quick, it took a while to figure out. So anyways, Screw Steel, the steel manufacturer, and Screw, my local dealer, they didn't want to warranty it out. It had a defective weathered and cracked spark plug boot. But anyways, I picked this up for $159.99, and so anyways, I'm just going to leave the spark plug on when I'm sharpening my saw. Thanks.